Hi, this is WIZKID at Seyi Vibes show at the O2 Indigo, London. WIZKID is singing Akbala Disco that he featured Akbala, I think Akbala that's his name, and Seyi Vibes, DJ Tunes, and also WIZKID as well. So everyone is singing along to the song, showing the love they have for WIZKID after all this while WIZKID haven't been on stage. And I really enjoy this particular moment that WIZKID is having with the fans, the audience. It is super amazing.
Let's go, baby. Up top, down low. I wanna see you sing that shit right now. You ready? 1, 2, let's go. I be all shoes to one. My people did it. My people suffer. Them they pray for blessing. My people did it. Them they pray for blessing. Sing it. Ayo ni jobu, adura lo le show, kalon kaju, adura agbawo, isuwe ni fatele, wa fowo hotel. I love you tonight, man.
WIZKID is ending his performance right now, and after helping Seyi Vibes, he's now going to leave the stage back to Seyi Vibes. And guess what, guys? He is singing one of the most popular hit songs from his career, Giza featuring Burna Boy. Let's enjoy it. Yes guys, as you already know the drill, no Seyi, no vibes. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comment section what you think about this performance.
Who's ready? Shall we go? Different patterns.
Mama always says, "Son of mercy on me." The angels never forsake me. Hallelujah, I'm already engaged. She used to play my part. Sometimes I pray on fast. 7 days and nights. Forever I delight. Son of Mandela. Well, yeah, you know I was a rasta. Play them king up. I'm a local now. See my flows fire. Don't get drunk and vibes. Ready money, that is there. Anyhow you be, I dey play my part. INDIGO go.
London girl, big face, no lie. Shake the show, no one for my life. It's all do anything for love. Don't think what
Every day, me I get my business. We just pass before and biggest. We just man now, don't change. Okay, it's not because it's from power. 6 years ago, I love my manga. 20 years of the manga. Yeah, I'm on that song.
And it's a shanka. Oble, oble, oble. Come on, guys, you really need to enjoy this particular one. You already know the drill. It's WIZKID you're singing right now. I don't know whatever you're thinking about it, but me, I know it's WIZKID you're singing right now. Oble is the drill, man. Yes, and I know a lot of people have been waiting for this particular hit song by Ashake, Kiss Daniel, and Buju Benson. You know the drill. This song really did a lot of amazing stuff when it was released, and Seyi Vibe's part of the song, Seyi Vibe's solo, was it was the real thing there.
Encore si ton choix tu prends tout dans les seigneurs. Encore níwájú, alábí òwe sẹ́yìn. Àmì kí bàbá máa lò, ẹ̀mí jẹun ló máa yọ. Ilé bébì, kíkú máa pa brọ́dà mi o. Bébì, máa pa máa dà ní o. Èmi ló ń ṣàyè. Wọ́n gbọ́ ìjọba ní ìdíbà fò. Kò mọ̀ gbà tó. Fly like you want, you my traumas. Yo sé que no, yo sé que yo no. Yo sé que no, yo sé que yo no. This my talent, I cannot follow. Them they ask who I follow. Them they talk of me so full. I told them I was so full. You know say that they should be love. Why you know who should be love? You ask some people that they feel God. Forgive us, oh dear Lord, let them fail. Right now, they fail. Last time we share up. Do good and share up, break up. What do you do? Oh, Baba Bolu. Oh, Adeleke. Baba Miliano. Tony Elumelu. Ezeke. Joe Izaza. Obi Kubana. Dodo Omo Igbo. Ọba Mariana. Tosi Shoro. Ọba Elegushi. Mukadamu Vado. Eomini Zanku. Alfaja Majago. Ela Dambana. Odinaka Popo. Tapa, our chopper, that's magic. DJ, drop it! I'm coming for 20. I don't know I swear. mechanically, black my breath. Already on my family, I run in my life. I love money and I love myself. Push me out to my drug up. Baby girl, you know I'm fine. Money keep my mood, all over the city. I can't go now, keep it. She's not my child. All I want to do it. I'm making up for my time to my crazy. Hey, 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 hey.
This is what you've been waiting for. This is the hit record. This is the record breaker. Seyi Vibes just singing different pattern is going to get all the fans to sing along with him word for word. The song sings so well with almost everyone I've known of that knows about this song. This is a record breaking song and he has done amazing numbers already on almost all the streaming platform. Different pattern is that record. Seyi Vibes is doing extremely well, putting all the fans happy moments, and that is what I have to say. I'll leave you to watch the rest of the clip and hit that subscribe button, comment. That's it.
Transaction,